short little video showing you how to check what plugs do which on your ECU. This is my 5MG one, the UK spec, and what I've done is I've labelled all the little plugs on it. Into their individual wires. So these two plugs here are the same two plugs that go on to the engine loom. So you've got your 10 pin there and you've got your 18 pin there. This 24 pin plug, that goes to the other side through to your fuse box and airflow meter and others. I'll get to that in a bit. So anyway, what I've got is a continuity tester, a multimeter. Turn it on and I'll have a little setting here in resistance, and that will sound when you've made continuity with a wire. So I'll pick one to start with. This is a 10 pin wire. I've labelled them all individually. Can't really see that, I'll zoom in later. So I'll try green plug for igniter, top plug 2 pin. So here we go, here, top pin igniter plug, 2 pin. What I've done is I've also put where the top is so I know which wire. So it's this top pin here with this plug, which goes to the black wire in this 10 pin plug on the ECU loom. So it is the yellow and black wire actually. So I'll just wedge that in there. Find the yellow and black wire, which is in on the bottom, the third from the left, and that will sound and makes a noise. So you know that's got continuity, that's a decent wire. Do another one for you. Okay. Engine ground, engine loom to intake manifold. So that is a white wire with a single black line and single dots on it on the 10 pin plug. So I'll find this here, which is on the bottom row on the left. I'll wedge that in there, and then it will sound on this part, the grounding part of the engine loom, which goes on the intake manifold. There we go. Makes that sound there. So I know that's got a good connection. Okay, right, I'll try some of the 18 pin plug. These are more for like your dizzy and throttle position sensors, igniters, that sort of thing. So, right, I'll pick one of the dizzy wires here. I'll pick the red wire. It says yellow plug on dizzy, engine revolution sensor. So that's the 3 pin here, which is this one here. So it's the red wire I'm looking for, and the red wire on here, which is on the top row of mine. So just put that in there, connect it, find that one there, and then I've got a connection. So I can relay all these wires, go through them all, make sure they're all connected and all go into the ECU. I'll do another one. Okay. Right, it's a bit more complicated. It's the throttle position switch, and it says on my little tab here, which I've labelled them all individually. You can read that. It says big yellow 6 pin plug to throttle position sensor, and it's the bottom right row. So this is a 6 pin plug here on the throttle position sensor. So with this ECU lead, I want the bottom row, and it's the plug, the wire right in the middle. So just connect that in there, the probe, then find the bottom wire here on the 6-pin throttle position sensor plug. Sometimes you need to wiggle them about a little bit just to get a good connection if your probes aren't that great. And there we go, got connection there. So those 2-pin plugs there on the ECU loom to the engine, so that's what all does the engine various sensors. And now I've got the